Hey guys, my name is Morgan McAllister, an engineer here at Way Safe Trailer Hitches. Today we're going to show you some features and benefits of our new True Toe weight distribution hitch. Let's go around back and we'll show you the new features. So something else that's very nice, good feature about this hitch is how easy it is to adjust your height of your head assembly. It's no longer needed to use bolts and torque them to 320 foot-pounds. And also, our increments are every 1 inch. Depending on which truck and trailer you're using, you just save this height adjustment into your app. And so you just count how many empty holes, which are at 1 inch increments instead of 1 3/4 or 2 inch, depending on competitors' hitches. It's every 1 inch, so you can get your trailer almost perfectly level every time. And you count, so when you put it into the app, you count how many empty holes there are above the top of the head assembly. So for this one, we would save in the app that we're in the rise position because it's not down lower. And we'll count how many holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 holes. Put that into the app and you hit save. And so for that truck and that trailer, it'll save this height adjustment. And to adjust the height, all you gotta do is you take off your dust cover that protects the key. You put your key in, you unlock it. And there's a couple ways you can do this. You can either hold on to the toe ball or to the head. I like the toe ball myself personally. And I just lift up to take away any force on those pins, pull out, and then use my other hand and lift up and down. Just stick that in. Now we're set at that height. Let's change it to new height just so you can see how easy it is to change your height, the head assembly. Stick it in there, lock it, and now we're at a different height. Stick on the dust cover, you're ready to go.